a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. Late o'clock, body talk, there's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart, issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Hey, bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies, it's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time, no cap, no lies, it's our encore. I never wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you, you're not by yourself. Late o'clock, body talk, there's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart, issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies, it's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time, no cap, no lies, it's our encore. You'll never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. Late o'clock, body talk, there's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart, issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Hey, bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies, it's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time, no cap, no lies, it's our encore. I never wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you, you're not by yourself. Late o'clock, body talk, there's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart, issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies, it's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time, no cap, no lies, it's our encore.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Please consider subscribing before you leave. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back, and shout out to my Premiere Squad for watching this with me. I have a human hair wig review for you guys. So today's video is brought to you by WowAfrican. Shout out to WowAfrican for sponsoring another video. So we have a bob for you guys today. So I am going to read the specs for you guys and then I'll get into my thoughts. Okay, so this is their loose wave above the shoulder Indian hair bob wig. It's in 12 inches. This is a cap size 7, so it's a glueless lace wig cap, 150% density. The hairline is pre-plucked and it has baby hairs around the perimeter, and the knots are bleached. So let's see what the price on this is. So WowAfrican is a higher end company, so their bobs are going to be more expensive than, you know, like the mid-tier kind of human hair companies. So this wig at 12 inches is $229. The application of this wig, I'm actually wearing this 100% glueless. Like, I can lift this up off of my head. So that's pretty impressive. And I just did a wig review before I did this one as well. So it was nice to actually get to wear a wig glueless. So what I did, I just tightened the elastic band that comes in it. So I think you have an option to get the elastic band. I would highly recommend that, especially if you are somebody who wants an easy install. And that's what I did. Like, the whole hairline is glueless. I don't have a drop of got2b glued on it. So that is a huge pro to me as far as convenience goes. And not only, like, it's laying really flat too. It's laying really flat. I did do, let me cover some of my natural hair. Okay, so I did do a sunlight test for you guys. I went outside to see what the lace looks like. I think it looks pretty good. I don't know what color this is. I think the color is not an exact match outside, but it looks pretty good. It's pretty passable. So about the style kind of threw me a little bit. I love that it is a shorter bob style for the summertime, so you're not burning up. But because this is a wavy bob, and the waves on this weren't like super defined, so it was a little bit awkward. So I did enlist the help of my curl wand to kind of define the style a little bit more. So that was like my only con, was the style was a little bit awkward as far as how the waves were. Now, I did not wash this wig before applying this, so that could do something, that could have something to do with it, because a lot of times with my wavy wigs and my curly wigs, I wash them in advance so I can get a certain kind of look. So if you do get this wig, I would highly recommend washing it first, but I was kind of pressed for time, so I wanted to go ahead and, you know, see if I could style it without washing it first. And I think it looks pretty cute. The hairline on mine, I think, did come pre-plucked, but I did tweeze it up some more. And I did put some powder in my parting space to wake it up. I didn't put powder on the actual hairline because I thought it was fine. But yeah, this is the style here. It's $229, which I feel like, you know, personally, I do feel like it's pretty expensive for the length that you get. But the trade-off is you do have a truly glueless wig, and the lace melts pretty well and lays flat without using any got2b glued. So, and they already bleached the knots and tweezed the hairline for you. So keep that in mind before you're making your decision of whether or not you want to purchase this wig. I did tweeze up the hairline, even though they tweezed it for us, because I wanted a certain kind of look with my hairline. So I am getting some shedding with this wig, but if you don't tweeze your hairline, you probably won't. I think this kind of tousled kind of look is very chic. If you like this wig, you can head over to WowAfrican and pick it up there. They are having a sale right now. I have my coupon code down below so you guys can use it at checkout. Shout out again to WowAfrican for sponsoring today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
I've been staring